A taste of Hoi An. With a couple of days to explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site of a city, we knew we had to do so by foot, but also with our taste buds. Hoi An is one of Vietnam's most unique cities. Frozen in time, it preserves its cultural influence from China, Japan, and France. And to keep this historical city's charm, most vehicles are kicked to the curb to allow only pedestrians to roam the streets. Colorful lanterns are hung during the night markets. Floating lanterns are gently launched on the shores of the Tubon River, lighting up the whole city. Hoi An was a sight to see both at night and during the day. But our eyes weren't the only things feasting in this gorgeous town. Hoi An is the home of many incredible specialty foods. When we weren't out tasting new favorite Vietnamese dishes, we were learning how to make some. After a bumping bamboo basket boat ride down the river, we had our very first cooking class. Trying our hands at making some Vietnamese favorites and learning the recipes was the perfect way for us to take a piece of Vietnam home with us. The first thing we had to do on our first morning in Hoi An was set out in search for a good old bowl of pho. Good morning from the city of Hoi An. The weather is so gorgeous out. It feels like summer already. We're wearing some shorts, as you can see. And we actually came to the city with no plan at all, so we're doing everything on the fly. But join us as we explore this quaint city.
So right now my hair is like pretty disheveled, so I definitely need to get a haircut. That is definitely on the game plan. But before that, we are absolutely starving, so let's go and get a little breakfast.
Stopped at this restaurant called Vietnamese, so Jason can have his pho. He loves it so much. I wanted to try something different and local. I went for the Hoi An noodle. I think they call it cao lo. It looks so good, and there's like these crispy things on top, some meat, some vegetables, and some thick noodles. The flavoring is so good. There's a bit of soup base on the bottom, but I don't know what it is. Everything is so delicious, and it comes with a lot of bean sprouts. The meat is super well seasoned, and these noodles have a nice bounce to them.
I've never seen where the barbershop actually has a bed for the washing. I really do like getting my hair cut in Asia because compared to back home, it's truly full service. So I didn't really expect, lying on that bed. I thought, yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hair, but then go through a little massage. They actually washed my face for me. Did you see that?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, they actually washed my face for me, so that was amazing. And of course, it's like half the prices back home. And back home, they sometimes at the barbershops, they don't even wash your hair. Yeah. So definitely love that. And for some reason, after getting a haircut, we're feeling hungry again. So we're gonna get some Banh Mi. Literally within about 15 seconds, that's right, 15 seconds of ordering a Banh Mi, it's already here. We are at Madame Khan, also called the Banh Mi Queen. And we were actually recommended this place by 2 different friends. And they all said we have to come here because this was the best Banh Mi they've ever tried. I also got a Saigon beer, and Lauren got this lotus seed milk.
It's actually a lot bigger than I thought. This is only 30,000 Vietnamese dong, less than $2 Canadian, and it's got a full mix of everything. Vegetables, barbecue pork, chicken, eggs, pate. Look at that. For those of you who don't know, banh mi actually means bread. So they use a baguette bun like this. They usually make it quite crispy, which I personally love a lot. You can get a little flaky, but I think it adds a bit of texture to whatever's inside of the bun.
One of the top things that people do here in Hoi An isn't just seeing the sights, visiting the old city, or grabbing delicious food. It's actually getting custom-made clothing. So Lauren right now is in the back getting size for her jumpsuit, while I will be getting my size soon for a blazer that I'm going to pick up. Everything is fully bespoke. You pick your materials, your color, your lining, all of it, and it's gonna fit you just right. So today we get our measurements, they're gonna start making it, and literally by tomorrow, we're gonna come in for our first fitting. It is so busy out. It's about half an hour until sunset, and you can just see the crowds come out, but then the city just really lights up. I think it's absolutely gorgeous.
After the sun goes down, we're gonna want to try some more Vietnamese specialties, so we're kind of on the hunt right now looking for some really good eats. For dinner, we wanted to escape the crowds along the river, so we came to this well-rated restaurant called Madame Lo. We got their Hoi An specialties. Of course, we had to get some white rose dumplings, a delicacy over here. We got a noodle dish with some shrimp, which is mi quang noodles, and the bunti zhu, which is a vermicelli and grilled pork dish. There's also a night market going on behind me. We're going to be checking that out after dinner. There are quite a few good eats and souvenirs that I'd love to go shopping for. This morning we have a tour schedule that we just booked yesterday. It includes an eco cooking class along with a basket boat ride, which looks so interesting. We actually just met up with the group in Old Town, and we're actually going to be heading at the market to go look for the ingredients that we're going to be cooking with.
We just made it to the Cam Tha Coconut Village, and this is where we will do our bamboo water boat. And I think there's going to be somebody in the boat rowing us, because I feel like we're not going to know what to do, and we're just going to drift somewhere down that river.
Or we'll just stay in one spot.
It's true, we might just stay at one spot if there's not somebody helping us. After the boat ride, that is when we will go and do our cooking class, which is perfect because I'm already getting a little bit hungry.
Basket ride was pretty fun. We actually saw a couple of people get shaken in their boats. It was quite the party, and then we ended up going into the shaded area where we got to fish for some crabs. That was a lot of fun. I think I almost caught 3, but the third one was really stubborn. Now we settled into the eco cooking space. We've got everything set up already. We learned how to separate yellow rice from white rice, how to make rice milk, and how to make rice paper. And we're really excited because we're gonna make 4 different Vietnamese dishes. two different types of fresh spring rolls. We've got a fresh rice paper one with tofu, so it's more of like a vegan, vegetarian one. And then we also have a wrapped crispy rice paper salad roll with shrimp and pork.
So the second dish that we made is called bánh xèo, which is a classic Vietnamese street food. I think it did pretty well. It looks alright. Hopefully it tastes just as good.
Third dish is a stir-fried beef on top of vermicelli. It was actually quite easy to make this, but it smelled so good as we were making it. I can't wait to dig in. Here for the first fitting. Gotta get some alterations done.
So right here is the navy blazer along with the pants. You know, just ignore the shoes and the shirt for now. But honestly, everything seems to be really fitted. Obviously, there's a couple little things. I think they need to drop this a little bit. So a little bit limited mobility. But the lining, the blue looks so nice. Great little investment.
We didn't expect to have such an amazing time in Hoi An. From learning new Vietnamese recipes to tasting the best banh mi of our lives or partying it up in that bamboo basket boat to getting custom-made attire in just 2 days, it was a blast in this city. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and can't wait to take our Vietnam trip to the next destination, Đà Lạt.